Are you ready to step into a world where ancient tradition harmoniously meets future-forward innovation? Immerse yourself in your education with a short-term, study abroad trip to Japan. You'll experience a culture of profound respect, breathtaking artistry, and serene beauty. Imagine wandering through a meticulously maintained shrine, observing the quiet rituals of Japanese life, or savoring the fresh, varied, and balanced flavors of Japanese cuisine. These are the moments that can enrich your life and deepen your global perspective. Beyond the cultural wonders, you will get an up-close look at the world's most advanced city infrastructure. From the intricate dance of the Tokyo public transport system, a marvel of efficiency, to the cutting-edge sustainable architecture, Japan is a spectacle of urban planning. It's an opportunity to study how a modern high-density society manages complexity with grace and precision. You'll see the future of urban living today. Most importantly, you'll engage with Japanese society. You'll witness the principles of collective harmony and diligence that drive this incredible nation. Through university connections and daily interactions, you can gain an insider's view on etiquette, education, and social cohesion. It's an experiential learning opportunity that will change the way you view the world and your own place within it. In the spirit of true experiential learning, you will execute a mini-study on a topic of your interest relating to the sociology of Japan. Using Japan as your laboratory through direct observation and other forms of documentation, apply the concepts you learned from the course to a self-directed research mini-project. Connect to the social fabric of Japan through your own deep dive. This is your chance to earn academic credit while gaining a life-altering experience. Step out of the classroom and into the incredible world of Japan.